Hi, I am Anusha. I make videos related to beauty and lifestyle. If this is something that interests you, please take a moment to click that subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload. Without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Today I am going to be sharing my Tretinoin journey with you all. It's been a month since I started using Tretinoin. Currently I'm using Tretinoin once a week. From the next week I'll be upgrading to twice a week. When I started using Tretinoin, this is how my skin is looking like, and after 4 weeks, this is how my skin is looking like. So I think there is a little bit of good difference in my skin. So I thought of sharing that journey with you all, and I documented the whole journey, like how my skin is looking every week, how my skin felt when I just started, and how it felt the second week, the changes I noticed, everything I documented. So in my next video I'll be sharing everything with you all. So for this video, let's just stick to skincare that I used when using the Tretinoin. This is the only skincare I used. I just changed my moisturizer in the middle. Other than that, I did not change anything. I used very soothing and calming kind of skincare products throughout this 1 month. No exfoliating products, no other actives, nothing. So I'll be sharing that with you all. First, we will start with the nighttime skincare routine. For that, I double cleanse my skin during the night. So this is the first cleanser. It is from Beauty of Joseon. Let me show you the product. I am very bad at showing the product. Some of you have commented that you are unable to see the products. So otherwise, I'll insert a texture shot of the products here. This is the Beauty of Joseon cleansing balm. It is very nice, mild and effective kind of cleansing balm. It removes the sunscreen very effectively, and if you are using a little bit of makeup also, it will very effectively remove that without leaving any oiliness or greasiness on your skin. So currently I am using this, and if you want some other options, then you can go for Sugandha cleansing oil. It is very lightweight and mild and I think non-irritating, soothing kind of cleansing oil. So you can use that. And if you have very sensitive skin, and if you don't want to use oil cleanser or balm cleanser as the first cleanser, then you can go for micellar water. The Bioderma micellar water, the pink one. It is a very good first cleanser option for people who have like a lot of sensitivity or redness on their skin and they can't really use oil cleansers. Then you can go for that cleanser. So these are all the different options for first cleanser, especially when you are using Tretinoin, because you have to use very soothing, calming kind of products in your skincare. You should not use anything exfoliating or anything irritating for your skin. So please choose your products very wisely when you are starting out with Tretinoin. After that, at the second step, I'm using this cleanser. This is from Bioderma. This is my trusted cleanser. And one more point I want to mention, don't try anything new during this period unless you feel it is really important for your skin. I stick it with products that I already know that works very well for my skin. So I advise you to do the same. Like whatever the cleansers, whatever the toners or moisturizers that you know that suits your skin, better to pick that one rather than trying new products during this particular period of time when you are just starting out with Tretinoin. It is a very good gel cleanser. If you have sensitive skin in general, it is a gel based cleanser. So if you have oily skin also, you won't feel any greasiness or oiliness left behind on your skin. It is very good cleanser. It suits even dry skin also. If you have dry skin also, you can happily use this cleanser because it is absolutely non-drying on the skin, and it is very soothing for the skin also. It soothes the skin, hydrates the skin. So a very good cleanser in general. Or if you have very dry skin, then if you want something cream based, then you can go for the Minimalist Oat cleanser, the cream cleanser, or you can go for the Cetaphil cream cleanser. I'll be leaving all the screenshots of the products on the screen, and all the links will be available in the description also. So if you want, you can check them out. Both are very good cream cleansers. If you have very dry skin, and if you can't use any cleansers that are gel based or foaming, then you can go for those cleansers. So that's with the cleansers. And after that, as my third step, I'm using this Cica toner from Cosrx. Very good toner, hydrating and soothing on the skin. I think it has very high concentration of Cica. I don't know, I think 70 to 80% of Cica. Yeah, it has 80% Cica extract, and the bioderivatives of Centella also, they have included those also in this toner. It is very hydrating and very soothing on the skin. this and my moisturizer, both combinedly, they work together as magic on my skin. Like, they are very successful in controlling the redness, the itching or irritation on the skin. They are very helpful. So that's with the Cica toner. If you are looking for a very lightweight, calming, soothing kind of toner, then you can go for this. Or the Cica toner from One Thing, it is also very calming, like very calming on the skin. It can instantly calm your redness down. It is that calming. But this one is a little bit more hydrating than that one, and that one is a little bit more soothing than this one. So pick according to like what is your requirement for your skin. I like both the toners. This is more lightweight than that toner, the One Thing toner. So these are like the toner options. After applying the toner, sometimes I used to use this serum, and sometimes, especially in the first week and second week, I did not use any serum. After toner, directly I used to apply a little bit of moisturizer. The moisturizer is the Illiyoon Ceramide Auto Concentrate Cream. It has good amount of ceramides in it. It has good amount of soothing and calming kind of ingredients. It provides good hydration, good moisturization on the skin. So immediately after toner, I used to take a little bit of this moisturizer, and I used to apply it on the skin and leave it for 5-10 minutes like that. Once it is completely, till the time it's completely dry, I used to leave it like that. After 10 to 15 minutes, then I used to take the Tretinoin. After 10 to like 20 minutes, I leave that on my skin. Once it is completely like dried, then I use my Tretinoin. I just take a little bit of a pea-sized amount on my hand and apply it as dots all over my face, and then I blend it on my skin. After that, I'll wait for another 10 minutes. Then I apply a good layer of this moisturizer again. So I'm applying the Tretinoin in sandwich method. So my skin gets a good buffer from using the Tretinoin. So that my skin don't get that irritated or that flared up. That's why I started using Tretinoin in the sandwich method, and it worked very well for me. And one more thing is, before using the Tretinoin, just take a little bit of Vaseline and apply on the corners of the mouth, corners of the nose, and the edges of the and near the eyes, so that if you accidentally touch Tretinoin there, then you won't get irritation in that areas, because these areas are very sensitive, and by mistake, especially when you are starting out with Tretinoin, if the Tretinoin touches these areas, then they may get irritated a lot. You may get redness, itching, irritation. So to avoid that, apply Vaseline on that area before applying Tretinoin. So yeah, and for lip balm, I use either Vaseline or this Vaseline. So these are like my go-to lip balms. They are very hydrating and moisturizing. And sometimes I use it to apply eye cream and sometimes not. So this is my go-to eye cream. This is from Cosrx Advanced Snail Peptide Eye Cream. It is very soothing and calming. So if you see my overall skincare, other than Tretinoin, everything else is soothing and calming on the skin. That's how you should pick your products once you start using Tretinoin. You should always pick products that are soothing and calming on the skin. Don't go for anything that will irritate your skin, like the exfoliants or any strong actives. Avoid them completely. Like first 1 or 2 months, just forget about all other actives in your skincare. When it comes to AM skincare routine, I basically use the same products, the same cleanser, the same toner, the same moisturizer, and a sunscreen. Sometimes I use this cleanser, but if my skin is feeling very dry, very itchy, then I don't use cleanser at all. I just wash my face with plain clean water and I let it dry, and I use this toner as the second step, and a moisturizer. And this is my sunscreen. This is Access by Physical Sunscreen. Why I'm using this physical sunscreen is, normally when my skin is, this is a general statement, so don't take it like as it is, take it with a pinch of salt. So normally what happens is, when your skin is already irritated, it may get further irritated if you are using chemical sunscreens, because chemical sunscreen filters may sometimes irritate your skin. My skin is like that. My skin is very sensitive, and when my skin is already irritated, then there are high chances that a chemical sunscreen can further irritate my skin. So I thought for the first 2 or 3 months, let's just stick with the physical sunscreen only. And I love this physical sunscreen. It is very calming and soothing. I have already emptied like 2 or 3 tubes of this product. This is the reformulated version. It is even better than the original version. The texture is very nice when compared to the original version. So this has mugwort and 2% niacinamide. Very nice, very calming, soothing, and it blends very easily. And if you want other physical sunscreens, then I made a video like the best physical sunscreens in India. It has this Dr. Shade, Dermaco, and Deconstruct. So I compiled a list of physical sunscreens that are very good. So I leave that video in the description box. You can go and check that out if you want to buy a good physical sunscreen for yourself. And if you want other moisturizer options, I bought this from Styledotty, but currently it is out of stock in Styledotty also. So if you want other alternatives if you want some other moisturizer options, then Cerave is available in India. You can try Cerave. Cerave works for most of the people, so you can try Cerave Moisturizer, or you can try Bioderma Balm. It is also very thick, calming kind of balm. Or you can try Cica. Cica is also, I think, available on Styledotty. And you can also try Minimalist 0.3% Ceramide Moisturizer. Both the dry version and the oily skin people version, both are very nice moisturizers. You can try them. So these are some of the moisturizers that add a lot of hydration, moisturization, and also soothes your skin. That's my criteria when I select moisturizers for Tretinoin. Because whenever I select a product, especially for my Tretinoin skincare routine, I make sure they are soothing also. Not only, for suppose if I take a moisturizer, it's not only moisturizing on my skin, but I make sure it is also soothing. And same thing goes with the toner, the sunscreen. So these are all very soothing products. Along with doing their job, they also soothe your skin. So this is the simple skincare routine that I followed for a month, and I think, touch wood, I am able to minimize the irritation that comes along with the Tretinoin. From this week, I'll be using Tretinoin twice a week, and I'll update you once there is like a major update, or I'm thinking to do an update at 3 months mark. So I'll do then, but in the next video I'll share like how my skin felt when I started Tretinoin, the general do's and don'ts when you are just starting out with Tretinoin, and I'll also do a video of list of moisturizers that you can use with Tretinoin. All these videos are coming up. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please do consider hitting that subscribe button now, and please also do consider hitting that notification bell so that you won't miss any videos from my side. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I'm wrapping up here. Bye, take care.